Hello friends, today we will install full version of iObit Uninstaller easily. So let's get started. Usually iObit Uninstaller Pro costs $19.99 per year. But you can get full version by clicking the link in the description. Don't worry about safety. All software is pre-tested, scanned with multiple antiviruses, and confirmed working by our community. Just go to the site, follow the instructions, and download the file. By the way, you'll find tons of other premium software available for free on the same site. Everything is working and tested for functionality before being posted. Just click on the site thumbnail to explore. Unzip the archive using the password from the site, and your iObit Uninstaller Pro is ready to go. Now let me show you how amazing everything works. With iObit Uninstaller Pro, you get the ultimate software removal experience without any limitations. Everything works flawlessly, from stubborn program removal to complete leftover cleaning and malicious plugin detection. Here are the main advantages of iObit Uninstaller Pro. Powerful scan engine removes all traces of uninstalled programs, including registry entries and leftover files. Batch uninstall. Remove multiple programs at once with just one click, saving hours of time. Forced uninstall. Eliminates stubborn programs that won't uninstall normally or are already partially deleted. Software health. Monitors program installations in real time and logs all system changes. Bundleware removal. Detects and removes unwanted bundled programs and toolbars automatically. Windows apps removal. Uninstall Windows 10 and 11 built-in apps that can't be removed normally. Malicious plugin detection. Identifies and removes malicious browser plugins and toolbars. Install monitor. Tracks all system changes during installations for complete removal later. File shredder. Permanently deletes files, making them unrecoverable, perfect for sensitive data. Auto clean residuals. Automatically scans for leftovers after standard Windows uninstallation. Browser plugin manager. Manage and remove extensions from Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Opera. Software updater. Keeps all your important programs up to date with one click. Large program detection. Identifies space hogging programs and rarely used software. Best of all, this version is completely clean. No malware, no minors, just the full Pro version, working exactly like the official one. The Pro version also includes remove Windows updates that cause problems or slow down your system. Clean up installation files and caches from over 1,000 programs. Database updated daily to detect the latest bundleware and toolbars. Restore point creation before each removal for safety. Detailed uninstall logs showing exactly what was removed. Priority technical support available 24/7. No ads or promotional messages. Advanced algorithms that find 35% more leftovers than free version. You could use the trial version instead, but you'll miss crucial features. No batch uninstall, so you remove programs one by one. No automatic leftover scanning, leaving gigabytes of junk behind. No real-time monitoring of installations. No stubborn program removal for corrupted software. Limited browser plugin support. No malware toolbar detection. Constant reminders to upgrade. Or pay $20 every year. That's $100 over 5 years just to properly uninstall programs. Here's the truth. The Windows built-in uninstaller leaves behind registry entries, folders, and files that eat up space and slow your PC. Over time, these leftovers can consume dozens of gigabytes. One badly uninstalled program can cause system conflicts and crashes. You can find iObit Uninstaller Pro and other premium software on the site. Link in the pinned comment below. We update our collection weekly with Revo Uninstaller, Geek Uninstaller, Your Uninstaller, and more system tools. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and ring the notification bell for new releases. Check out our other videos for more amazing software. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new iObit Uninstaller Pro.